we're going to detail this vehicle. It's got all sort of things inside it. This is the boot. Oh, there you go. We've got some tools here. Okay, so let's get inside and see what it looks like. No carpet, but I'm hoping to find a lot of money in here. There is a lot of that to deal with right here. So just want to show you the before and after and the in between. I'm going to work this one very well. I'm going to use my GoPro. The same kind of marks that comes on the seat, due to sometimes it's in the winter time it gets wet and dry, and it forms some kind of mold, and when it dries you get that. As for the seat, I can tell you confidently, can be a mixture of so many things that you do not even want to go in there. It could be water, it could be Coca-Cola, it could be coffee, it could be pee. Trust me, on the motorway, when you are desperate, it's better you do it in your car than elsewhere. It could be other juices, other liquids, you know what I mean, other liquids. So stay tuned. I'm gonna give you the after as well, and I'm gonna show you how I approach these, bearing in mind the boots is probably the dirtiest, but it's also the easiest to clean because I can stand up. But the inside means bending down, and that can be challenging. So I'm gonna deal with the inside first. It's just, oh my goodness, this person was actually living in the vehicle. This is what I'm saying, the juices and all the liquids. Detailing law, we're gonna munch all this dirt. I'm gonna show you how I approach it on the GoPro, and then I'll give you the after video as well. See you in a bit.